Find features that distinguish it from other brands for LONPOO P10 home Bluetooth stereo system, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because floor standing party speaker with impressive sound. 100-watt stereo system delivers room-filling sound quality through two high-efficiency tweeters and a bass spread sound around the party, bring more rich, clear sound. All-in-one music system, compatible with multiple devices. 1. Listen to CD, CDR, CDRW, MP3. 2. Listen to the radio, receive FM broadcasts. 3. Connect Bluetooth, connect a device to the speaker, Bluetooth earphones are not supported. 4. Listen to MP3 via USB, up to 32 gigabit MP3, WMA5, auxiliary in, connect the device to the speaker, make sure your device has 3.5 mm jack, which generally is Earphone Jack. 6. Earphone Jack, 3.5 mm can be connect earphone to output to other speakers. Simple and easy operation. Simple and elegant compact design, control panel includes volume control, bass control, power switch, play pause, skip previous tracks and mode button. Use the included remote control to adjust your listening and viewing experience. Colorful party lights sync with the music, you can select the lighting mode, one color, colorful, off, through the remote control. 5 EQ modes allows the selection of sound modes instantly. Karaoke function, with 2 mic inputs, 2 x 6.5 mm ports, you and your guests can sing head-to-head to your favorite songs. The treble, bass, and echo can be adjustable. Note, not include microphones. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.